What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know that Apple held their iPhone 15 event yesterday and they announced Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra and bunch of other things. So in this video we will discuss about the new iPhones and what are the changes and what are the new things they have introduced in the iPhone series. So let's get started. So the Apple Watch got some updates like the new ultra wideband chip, and some major some gesture features like tap features, and the biggest upgrade I think we have got on the iPhone 15 lineup. So the iPhone 15 now got dynamic island update. So it was last year on the Pro models, and now we have got the dynamic island on the regular iPhone as well. So it is very useful. I think you can track your activities, you can receive calls, you can control your music from it, you can track your timer, your flight, and many other things. So I think that's a huge upgrade from the last generation. And then we have got upgrade on the cameras. So the iPhone 15 now got 48 megapixel main sensor from the last year's iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So I think that's a great upgrade from the last generation. The main sensor is now 48 megapixel and it has now 2x telephoto lossless zoom, and it has also got the A16 chip from the last year's iPhone 14 Pro. The sides are now rounded, and in the front side we have got the ceramic shield, and in the back side we have got frosted black glass. Finally the regular iPhones got the frosted back glass, which is great. And finally we have got Type-C in the iPhone. So that was on Android for years. Now we have got the Type-C port in iPhone. You can charge your AirPods from your iPhone now from Type-C to Type-C cable. So here's the iPhone 15 series. We have got some updates: 48 megapixel camera and A16 chip, new colors, and all the battery life, etc. So the iPhone 15 series now got iPhone 15 series got 4 new colors, and the prices are same as last year, and they will start at 128 GB. Now let's talk about the Pro models. So the Pro models now have titanium frame, and which looks absolutely stunning. I think this is the best looking iPhone ever. They have got the size as last year, but the bezels are thinner now, and the iPhone got rid of the silent switcher, which is unfortunate. Now it's replaced with the customizable action button. So it is now customizable, and you can use it as a ringer, silent, and you can also use it as a customizable button. Like you can assign many tasks like ringer, camera, voice memo, and you can also adjust Siri shortcuts on it. So I think it's a great feature. Let's see how it goes. And then the camera on the Pro Max, we have got the new 5x telephoto lens. So finally we have got the 5x telephoto upgrade on the Pro Max, only for the Pro Max. It's a periscope type lens, but not exactly periscope, I would like to say. So the new telephoto camera I think is a great upgrade from the last year, and now you can use it as a zoom lens. So I think it's a win for us. And in the video quality, we have got new special video features. Now you can capture 3D video from your iPhone. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max now got 7 different optical lenses, and it has got the new A17 Pro chip. So I think the new iPhone 15 Pro Max got the biggest update, not the Pro. So the new Pro series got some new colors like titanium, and the prices are same for the Pro and like $100 more for the Pro Max. So the iPhone 15 Pro Max now starts at $1199 and it has 256 gigabytes of storage. So here's the prices of the all iPhone. iPhone SE now is $429 and iPhone 13 starts from $599, iPhone 14 from $699 and iPhone 15 series from $799 and the Pro from $999. So here's the everything you need to know about the new iPhone series. I will make a comparison between the Pro and the regular 15. Till then, take care.